Welcome back to the Gravity Workshop. We've got a huge video planned for you today. Not only have we just taken delivery of our brand new G80 BMW M3 project car, but we're also pleased to announce an exciting new partnership with Direnza Performance. Soon, we're going to be stocking their lowering springs, wheel spacers, MVT intercoolers and induction kits on our website. What better way to mark this partnership than to get the M3 on the ramp and install some lowering springs and wheel spacers to really improve the stance. Before we fit them to the car, let's take a closer look at the parts. All Direnza wheel spacers are made from 6061 T6 billet aluminium, making them incredibly strong. They're hub-centric and we stock them in multiple different sizes for perfect fitment. The black anodized finish on the wheel bolts adds a real premium touch. Next up, we're going to take a look at these Direnza lowering springs. We've got 35mm for the front and 15mm for the rear. These aren't only going to improve the looks, but they're also going to reduce weight transfer and body roll. Direnza lowering springs come with a 5-year warranty just for that extra peace of mind. So, we've got the car back on the ground. Let's get it outside and see what difference these mods have made. So the suspension's still got to settle a little bit, but as you can see, the springs have made a massive difference. The spacers have pushed the wheels out a nice bit to get fitment nearly perfect. We can't wait to get this thing on track.